With the latest Hyper OS on your Redmi Note 13 Pro phone here, you can now switch what the swipe down on your home screen will access, whether it's a notification shade and control center or simply the search. So at default, you'll be able to do this and access your control center at any given time. But if you want to change that, you'll long press the home screen empty area like this here. You'll see the settings, that's for your home screen, and go to where it says more right here. And from here on, you'll see the part that says swipe down on the home screen. As you tap on that, you'll be able to choose what you want here, and you can switch to the search from here on. So once you do this now, and once you back out of all this here, when I do this here, I'll be able to access the search here from now on instead of the swiping down to get the control center. But you can pull down from the very top and still access the control center if you have that option enabled. And yes, you can go back here and change these settings at any given time by long pressing a blank area here, here, and then change this to another one. Like and sub.